I think that consumers love the idea of personalisation, and I think we're seeing it more and more with global brands now. And our heritage has always been the kind of company that likes to innovate. We like to stay ahead of the curve and bring people what they actually want.
The concept came from Greg Rose Senior, my dad, who's had a long-held reputation for innovation in taps, and yet again he was able to do that when looking at the taps, which were already clever in their function, but he wanted something more on the design side.
I think for other brands to be able to deliver a similar product would be virtually impossible because of our patented construction. The ability for someone to rotate the component 360 degrees and get a nice, even, consistent pattern like we can is impossible.
It's been really great being able to work on this project all the way from the initial concept of it to the completion of it where we are now. It's so exciting to see where it can go in the future.